Hey guys, welcome back to the Architecture Insider, and today we have a quick video to show you guys
the power of 3D printing.
So this project was about creating an office inside a small room. Now what they used for the 3D printing material was a cement adhesive. So you can get different kinds of material for 3D printing, but for a like a room type of building, you would mainly use cement adhesive because it's stronger and it's more rigid. Now the only thing that they used was bolts and screws to put them together, a few hammers just to put it into place, but nothing, no big machines. The material isn't solid, it has loads of different holes and it creates a very nice pattern. Now just imagine how much material you can save. After a few days of work, it was all done and finished, and you can see how amazing it looks in the sun and what kind of shadows and how the patterns look like. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.